Homes are still going under contract quickly. New contracts slowed this report, and new inventory to the market also dipped. It's Friday, May 30th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Here's what's happening in Maryland. Coming soon properties rose 18% to 1,749. New listings dipped to 1,937 for sale this report. Homes going under contract fell 27% to 1,541 going under contract in 15 days. 1,175 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 9 days. Rental properties fell to 2,523 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 30th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.